morning, friends. Welcome back to my channel Intraday Trade. My name is Robin, and let's do a Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow. So this is Bank Nifty's weekly chart, and I've drawn a Fibonacci retracement level from the recent swing high to the swing low, and these are the levels, and this is 0.618. So this level is important for us, and this is at 42,344. Okay, so on a weekly chart, we know that this is an inside candle, and people usually trade the breakout or breakdown of an inside candle. So if this high breaks, then it should approach the next level, which is at 42,344. Okay, so for this downfall, this is the retracement level of 42,344, and ideally it should again fall from this place, and that's how the Fibonacci works. In a trend, it gives a retracement of about the max to 0.618 and then continues its trend. So this could be one of the case. So in case if we see a breakout of the weekly candle high, then we may expect Bank Nifty to move up to 42,344, and then we'll decide which direction we should be trading. Do we see any reversal, or do we see a continuation in the trend? Okay, so what for the downside? The downside, we'll wait for it to break 41,227 on a weekly chart. So this is an important level. If it breaks, the next level that open up is of 40,536. Okay, so this is the level. So right now we are at a crucial point. Last week, entire week, Bank Nifty was trading in a small range. Every day people were doing 41,500 straddle, and they definitely made some good money in the last week. So this week will not be the same. Definitely we can expect some sort of a movement. So similarly, Nifty, if you look at the weekly chart, and I've drawn the Fibonacci levels similarly from the swing high to the swing low. So here, if we close above 17,940, we could approach 18,120, and here the 0.618 level comes at 18,300. Okay, and similarly, if we close below 17,715, then the next target that comes up is directly the swing low of 17,353. So you could mark these levels as your higher time frame support and resistance on your chart. And now we'll switch back to a smaller time frame, like we do the regular analysis, and also we'll discuss the participant data, what happened on last Friday. So I did not open that up. Let me just quickly open it. Okay, so last Friday, I guess it wasn't a great data. Okay, why it did not come up? Participant. Okay, now it has opened up. Cool. So let's quickly check that out. This is the analysis. So 9th plays 12th. So I think 10th was the last, right? So Friday was 10th. Yeah. So let's quickly check that. So people who still have confusion how to use this chart, I'm showing it live. So you just put 10th of Feb and click the refresh button. Here it should say Feb 10. Let's wait for that. Okay, now we can see Feb 10. You just click on copy, then the data gets copied. So what do we see here? So again, not so impressive data. We can see some future longs closed by the FIs. So 589 future longs have been closed, and they have added another 9,897 future shorts. And if we look at the options, net short on calls and long on puts. And if we look at pros, they are also having call shorts and put long. So both of them on the same direction. However, FIs have some more amount of call shorts, so we could expect some selling pressure in the market. So the data isn't that great, so it is still bearish. So it depends on where we open and how we trade. So let's discuss that. So data we understood. FIs are bearish. They have call sells, future shorts, and put longs. This is Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty has been trading in this tight range for some time. So what we'll do is, we'll mark a support here. I think we should go to the black line somewhere here. So this is around 41,500. Okay, market stayed completely above 41,500. So we can imagine that they have their call writing somewhere at this place. So they'll make money when it moves below 41,500. So we will make a range, or maybe just draw a small support line here, and I'll keep the color as black. So 41,514 is the level, and let's move on to a 5 minutes time frame. Okay. So what we'll do is tomorrow, when till the time Bank Nifty is below this previous swing, that means it is bearish. So what is that area? It is around 41,610. Okay. So 41,610. So this level is very important. Tomorrow, if Bank Nifty opens flat and if it breaks this level, then we will not think about put. We will think about put only if it breaks down 41,500. Okay. And when do we take call? We'll take call only if it crosses 41,700. Because again, this could end up in a sideways range, from this way to this way. So we do not want to get stuck in that range again. So call trade only above 41,700. We slightly move back. We have been rejecting at 41,700 very sharply. So we'll take a trade above 41,700. And there could be a sharp trend line like this. Okay, so in case if we break 41,600, then the the trend can change, the momentum can change. So if we open flat and if we break 41,500 with a follow through candle, we are definitely going for a put. Our first immediate target would be 41,264, and then the second target should be 41,100, and then 41,000. Okay, so these are the three targets that we will aim if we break 41,500. At the same time, keep an eye on the option chain. We need 41,500 PE exits and some good call writing on 41,500 call. Okay, so this will give us a confidence to go for a put buy when we break the support. And like I said, call option only above 41,700. And anything like a big gap up, say we open around 41,700, we'll wait for a dip. If that dip comes until 41,500, that means the market is going to be sideways. But just in case it takes support somewhere around 41,650 and breaks the first candle high immediately, then also we can go for a call. Similarly, if we open gap down, say below 41,500, like 450 or 420, we'll wait for this pullback, and once it closes below 41,500 or 514, we can go for a put again for the targets that I mentioned earlier. So this is my view on Bank Nifty. Let's quickly check out Nifty. So Nifty is also in a range, and we could mark another line here. So let's mark it here. So this is for 17,880, and we have a support here. Okay. So what should be the plan? Nifty doesn't look that easier like Bank Nifty. So in case if we have to buy call in Nifty, we should buy only when it breaks 17,878, or to be precise 17,880. Then we could imagine that it could reach 17,950 to 980 area, but that's a resistance, so we'll definitely book there. So we could expect around 80 to 100 points move in Nifty if it opens flat and breaks 17,878. Okay, and let me zoom in a little, and you could draw another support line. See, whenever you see such a big red candle, and if market is trading below that red candle, that means market is in the selling pressure. Okay, so we could mark this support area. I'll keep this color as blue because I have too many black lines. So if Nifty closes below 17,820, the momentum could be slow because we have some immediate supports. So once it breaks 17,785, then we have a good amount of space until 17,700. Okay, so I think in Nifty we would just take lesser quantities here, and we'll add more quantities once it breaks 17,785 for the target of 17,700. And in case Nifty opens gap down, say at 17,785, and it goes above and comes below this range again, then we can add lesser quantity of put, and then we'll wait for it to break down this level. Here we'll add more quantities, and this should be a target. And in case of a gap up, say it opens above 17,788, I don't want Nifty to come until this place, then it will become very difficult for it to cross this place. Okay, but just in case if it closes above this area, we could still go for a call for the target of 17,960 to 980. And if it opens here and takes support at 878 and crosses the first candle high, then we could go for a call option. I think it may even move until 18,000. So this is my view on Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow. I hope you all enjoyed it. Let's meet in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.